Looking at the monthly and really nice compression here. I just don't know that this is bottomed out yet. We're not seeing the volume surge. Have this high to low, 395 days. So high to that, 123 days. Is that the bottom? Probably not. And that's kind of what I've been saying, like most of the way down here. Really surprised we haven't seen a relief rally. We're over 35% now, I think. 36 or something, right? Oh, 38. There you go. Almost 40%. That's a very, very respectable relief rally. May push up a little higher. Could push up significantly higher. Is it going to challenge these highs before it sweeps 60? Probably not. SRSI here, the momentum wants to curl up, but down in the adaptive band, right, it can just stay down here, right? Like this. Look at this. It hit the bottom down in the adaptive band, and it was here, right? And it just stayed down there. And what that does is, we talked about this before, it just pushes the range lower. And we got a really nice expansion out of that. But we also got monster volume. Not seeing it. Weekly looks toppy. It didn't get to the bottom of our action channel here, and it didn't hit our target. I really think sweeping lows is super likely. So go back below 60. We've got kind of a double bottom here. Probably go down and look at this on daily. Daily's fine. So you do have sort of a W pattern here. Potentially, well, it was potentially a brazier pattern, but you got to grind up into it. And when you have these grind ups and they fill the inefficiencies, right? Here was a broad inefficiency. That's probably from the weekly there. When they come up and they fill sections of that, and then you usually see a drop off. So you have a high in here, right? Here's a little wick zone here. You can see it's tested again right here. Here's our wick band. Okay, drop down, rejected right off of it. Very clean test of it here. It's coming down, blowing a little kiss at it now. I do like the curve, so there's a good chance it's going to swing back up here. Probably the most likely thing short term is that this turns into a head and shoulders. Probably going to be a rising, certainly if this is the bottom, is a slightly rising head and shoulders, which makes it weaker. Descending bearish head and shoulders is stronger. A rising bearish head and shoulders is weaker. Some people don't like the ones that are angled either way, but my personal experience is, well, I just described it. So people who disagree can, it's their money. They can do what they like, right? And everybody should. Like, no one should find any one person and think that this person is the be all and end all and they know everything about trading, because it's not true. Nobody does. Definitely consider other sources. So don't just take anything that I have to say as holy grail, because it's not. I mean, sometimes it works out great. Sometimes it doesn't. Just understand that it's like playing poker. It's just playing odds. Go down to the 4 hour, see something. See the price wedging here. So it will move. This is compression. Super clear. You see the volume dropping off. You'll see a pop out of it one way or the other. I think this probably pushes up a little bit higher right now. Might see something happen tomorrow.